Okay, so first you go to the link up here, whatever link it might be. You write it down because you're not going to memorize it, or you could just click it, but we'll teach that later. So you got the link, all right? You're going to go up to your apps, and you're going to look for Web Video Caster. So type in web. It'll be yellow and blue. I just got a different icon. You touch it. You go up here, X out whatever there is. You type in... This shouldn't be coming up. This shouldn't be coming up. Cancel. No! Stop! This is pissing me off. You type this, Dad. is.gd
YouTube, and I say that with all due reference. The last
I can't believe this shit.
We're all very anxious.
I can't believe this shit. It never ever does this, ever. But no, I want to show you something, so it's going to do it.
One of you has to get it right.
See, you say it's the same one, but it's not. This has a ton of videos. This one is going right to the proper one.
YouTube.
I don't know what it's doing. I really don't know what the hell it's doing. What the hell is it doing, man? Cancel. Stop. Stop. Disconnect this. I can't even teach you because this is so dumb.
Here it is.
Okay. Just touch this where it says 69 Norm MacDonald. Who cares what there's playing right now? Just touch that until it comes on. I'm so mad that I'm sorry I'm yelling, but this stuff is just pissing me off so bad. Because it always works smoothly until right now. Right now, it's not going to work at all. Okay, now it's playing.
It is my pleasure.
See? No, come on, man.
It's a very funny
Go away. Why do you do that?
All right, let's calm down.
Oh my God.
He's still just a
Touch symbol. You go to LG. It'll be for you. It'll say Ultra Roku or whatever. This is mine. My LG WebOS TV.
The Saturday Night Live
So,
weekend commentator, and for his movies Dirty Work and Screwed.
It's gonna go to
and
your
the
TV
Norm.
in those pieces.
Please, a
But for
wonderful.
some reason, you could always hit the yellow play button up top there. But it starts at the beginning. I don't know why it's doing it. I gotta find number 69, and they're not even labeled. I'm going back. Touch 69. Oh my God. Why is it doing this?
Right now, it is my pleasure.
It's not playing on the TV.
To introduce a very funny man.
This is unreal.
All right, let's calm down. He's just a regular guy. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this evening's very special entertainment. Known for his dry wit.
I don't know, Dad.
I don't know.
Oh my God, everything I say, he keeps saying, what is going on? Ted, I give up. Alright, I give up. I hate this. I hate everything about it. It never used to do this crap, but now it is. Now it's not working today. Because we can't have it work when I'm trying to teach you something. Why the hell would it work? Hit play, okay. Okay, I'll hit play. Nothing's effing happening. It's going way back to this again.
YouTube, and I say that
right back to the beginning. Right back to the damn beginning.
We're all very anxious about this because...
Close the f***ing tab. I... Yes. Dot. D slash. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm getting so mad I can't. There it is. That's the one you need. Oh, here we go. Let's just go to this screen. I didn't hit nothing button, but we'll go there anyway, right? Just keep jumping around wherever you want to go. That's fine. Dad, I give up. I quit. I do this every day, over and over again, and it works every damn time. But not now. It's never gonna work now. So maybe you could figure it out on your TV. I quit before I end up killing someone.